Oh, we got a couple of stovies. Good morning. Stumbling out the bushes. How many more you got with you? Stretch my legs. Yeah. What? Okay. And I got some kind of predator bird for sure. Right up. He is still right there. This guy that wants to just come and F up everybody's party. Right? Okay. He's been telling him, like, can you be cool? But no, he won't do it. Look at this bizarreness. Hey, little demon bird. Come on. Come on, y'all. Tell me that's not nuts. Let me get to where I'm around the house. He's like, I'm really badass. Hold on. Damn. I'm out on my camera phone. Shit. This fucking bird behind me. Okay, well, we can always go back to old annoying over here. Are you kidding me? Right? What do you mean? For reals? And I'm not even sure why he gotta be such a... He's like, for real, bro. That's a cool one. What is that about? Little tough man. What is this even about? Alright, you made your case. Here's another friend in the wings.